continue to bring life and strength to our city. As we mark this special occasion, we shine a spotlight on those who embody the true spirit of service. We recognize our outstanding employees who have gone above and beyond in their work, and we pay tribute to our retirees whose years of dedication have laid the foundation for the progress we enjoy today. Their contributions are the pillars on which Mandaue continues to grow and move forward. We would also like to extend our heartfelt thanks to the search committee, MIPTA, HRLO, and all our support groups who made today's recognition possible. Your hard work and commitment ensure that excellence and dedication are properly acknowledged. This celebration reminds us that the heart of Mandaue is not just in its industries or landmarks, but in its people. Each of you, through your hard work, creativity, and love for our community, makes our city stronger and brighter. On our 56th Charter Day, let us reaffirm our commitment to a future built on unity, excellence, and a shared purpose. When we work together as Mandauehanos, there is nothing we cannot achieve. To our awardees, congratulations, and daghang salamat sa inyong servisyo. To our retirees, may your legacy continue to inspire us. And to all Mandauehanos, may this Charter Day reminds us that our greatest strength will always be in our solidarity and our vision for a better tomorrow. Happy Charter Day, and